Hi, welcome to the Senate Home. This is Vicki. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And today I'm going to go over my recent purchase of some like vendor wax. It's called Yummers Delight. And they gave me a little note. It's really cute. It says, "Thank you so much for melting with us. XO Yummers." And this one I think is they're based out of North Carolina. And I actually follow them on Instagram because they have, I don't know, I follow a lot of wax vendors and also candle makers. And so I actually love their candles, their wax melts whenever they post. And so they gave me some samples, and this one here that they sent, I already took it out of the package. Like I said, I had to refilm. And this one is called Spooky Farm, and it's from, like I said, Yummer's Delight. And these, they have very, very, very high fragrant, and this smells a lot like pine, like a pine tree, a Christmas tree. I don't understand why they have like, I don't know, but it smells like major, like a pine tree, like a Christmas tree. So, but they're really, really highly fragrant. So I'm definitely, even though they have the Halloween theme, but these are something that I would probably melt. Really, really, really nice. Probably like during Christmas time. It smells really, really good. And they also have this design. I don't know exactly what that is. I don't know. And then they have the witch's hat. And like I said, these are really, really highly fragrant. I really like it. And this one's like a bat. And like it smells, like I said, it smells like pine, like a Christmas tree. It smells really good. And they also gave me like a little shot candle. And this one, like I said, is Yummer's Delight. And this one is in the scent Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, which I love. I'm glad they sent me this. And I already filmed it, so I already know what this smells like. And it smells exactly the one from Bath & Body Works. And it's like a shot. I guess you can cut it in half. Or maybe in quarters even. Because it's pretty highly fragrant, like I said. So, really, really happy to melt this one. And I asked the lady, if I have to cure this, and she said no, they're pretty much ready to go. And so that's pretty good. So I like that. And the first one I have here is Half Baked, and I can tell you right now I don't like this one because, like I said, I refilmed it. And this one smells too much like maple for me. Way too much like maple. It's not something that I'm gonna keep. I'm gonna try to see if I can return it. I don't know. Maybe it's not worth it, but I'm gonna have to give this to someone that likes the scent of maple because I don't like it. And the notes on that, it says waffle cone, pistachio cake, and apple strudel. No, it smells like maple. It smells like maple syrup. No, I don't like that one at all. I'm really sad because I was really excited for that one. And this one here is, the second one is Split Personality, and this one is it says cotton candy and blue sugar. And this one, it smells pretty good. I think it needs time to cure because it's not that strong. And this one, it smells like sugar, maybe like cotton candy. Maybe it's like, I don't know, a power of suggestion, but it smells kind of like cotton candy and blue sugar. And yeah, it smells pretty good. But it's kind of a light scent. So I think this one I might have to let it cure. I have glitter everywhere. I'm gonna have to let this cure for a while, maybe like a month or two. So hopefully that'll get stronger. And the next one, the last wax, or the clammy, they call them clammies. And this one is called Sweet Talk. And this one smells really good. This one smells like cherries, like a cherry cake. It doesn't have the notes on this package for some reason, but I will definitely list them whenever I edit. But this one smells really good, and it smells like it's ready to go because it's pretty strong. So, but this one smells like a cherry cupcake. So that one's really good. And also I got it's like a big brick, not a brick, but like a loaf. And this one is called I Dream in Pink. Let me take out the package so you can see it. It smells really, really good. And you get a lot of wax. There's a lot of wax. And this one is got like a cute little pink unicorn. The glitter. And I can smell it right now. It smells really good. It's kind of like watermelon, fruits or something. It's got vanilla in there too, I think. But this one smells really good. I'm going to definitely let this cure for probably like summertime. Maybe not summer, maybe like spring. But this one smells really good. I don't think I even need for it to cure. But I want to make sure that this one burns really good because this is a lot. It's really good. I'm going to put it in the package so it won't lose any of its potency. But, yeah, that's going to be the end of my, what is it called? Unboxing. But like they give you this box, and it comes, this is where all the clammies came in. They have the noodles and the cute little pink box. and everything's really nice. I really love everything the way it was presented and packaged, so I really like that. But I will message her about the one that I didn't like, the half baked, and see what we can do about that. I don't know. I may have to, just eat that one up or something as far as the loss, take it as a loss. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this unboxing of, like I said, it's called Yummer's Delight, and I will definitely let you know how they perform. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye.